Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. Bought something else again. So, bought another neon. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got here. Same outfit as last time. Oh, Mobilgas. And I ordered a number of them to put up at the antique mall. No, they are not antiques, but they are made in the US of A. And let's, like the last one, it's got 1,000,000 pieces of foam. So let me get this foam out from here, and we'll see you back. Alright, so here's the first one I bought. Welcome Hunters. Here's the one I just now bought. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, really like the neons. And I'll have these for sale up at the Beaverton Antique Mall and the Timberwoods Antique Mall in Gladwin, Michigan. They may both be in Beaverton, Michigan. Not certain. But anyhow, all right. Like I always say, God bless you, God bless America.